every New Year, I pray to God for humanity. I might just also start my prayer with saying na, Diyos ko po, tulungan kami dito pagkahinik, magkawatak-watak tong bayan na to. You cannot, the Communist Party of the Philippines has offered to a coalition with everybody, including the disgruntled officers and men, maybe, coming from the armed forces and from the military and the police. So, and you have this group of retired generals also saying that they can deliver this country from perdition. Right? How we should go about solving the problem, I really do not know. I cannot, truthfully, I cannot give, even project what would happen now.